What have you asked me?
Hi, you guys.
What she called
I just got a new dog.
my phone.
You call him whatever you want.
And this dog is so cute. Do you want to
Okay.
say hi to the YouTube?
What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube?
We have a dog. We had dogs before, but
And the vet's number?
my mom gave
I
him
know.
away.
I know.
Thank you guys so much.
And he is so cute, you guys. I have to show you.
I love your vehicle.
Thank you. Thank you.
She hates Ford. I love them.
Oh, this is a great Ford, and this is a '08. This is a '08.
Wow.
So yeah, this is nice. It was my dad's.
It took us 2 hours to get here just to get the dog.
I love him. Whatever's good.
And I love the dog so much. Ma, say hi to YouTube.
Hi!
So this is our new dog.
We didn't have a named him yet, right? Help us come up with a name.
Comment down below.
Help us come up with a name. Say hi.
I like Max. It's cute. But you guys, I am so happy that we got a new dog. He is so cute. And he is so cute.
So it's straight back, straight down, all the way home, baby.
Mommy, can I see him?
Straight down 61 though, babe. I don't know if this is it. Is this it?
Yeah, this is where you turn off.
You want to see Gary? I want to see her ass. I want to see her ass.
Don't do that.
You want to see Gary?
I am so happy, you guys. I was just crying. I did not know where we were.
Turn right into US 61 south of McMaster's Avenue.
Here he is. He is so cute.
South for 76 miles.
Say hi. Say hi. Guess what? You're my dog, okay? And I love you so much, okay? He is so fluffy and so cute.
Said she went to South Carolina to get those dogs.
So if we're gonna have later him, we gotta.
Get a girl.
We should. Shoot, I was thinking. I was like, that's
They
good
making a
money.
killing.
They making a killing. Cause I wonder how long do it take for the dog to have a litter.
This is the dog. He is so cute.
I remember I looked it up when I was trying to make Bell and PT.
So they can have babies
Twice a year?
three times a year, maybe
You
just
can't
twice,
do it like
just
that.
to,
Hey, baby.
twice to,
Hi,
yeah. Cause I was like, no,
Hi,
that's
baby.
really it's 4.
Golly.
And you guys, right now,
Ain't no worries.
We
he's
drove
just
2
so
hours.
cute.
We drove 2 hours to get him right there.
You guys, we drove 2 hours to get our dog, and he is so cute.
What are you going to name that video? Tell him bye. You're going to check in with him later or something.
And you guys, I'll see you guys later.
Say
Bye.
So by the time you see him next
Say
time, you'll
bye.
have a name.